channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Jack Frost nipping at your nose inspired makeup look. I love the idea of taking a fun little Christmas song and pulling out a creepy twist from the lyrics. So this is from the Christmas song and I'm pulling from Chestnuts Roasting Over an Open Fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I contemplated the idea of actually having just like a bit off nose with like a lot of blood and stuff like that, and then I thought, why not throw in like a little bit of an icy twist and kind of make it look like Frost-Bite from Jack Frost. So that's kind of what I did with a little bit more of an artistic take as opposed to a more realistic Frost-Bite look that I already did like 2017. So anyways, with all that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Jack Frost nose nip makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so since this is primarily a nose tutorial, I'm actually going to be taking this makeup that you technically haven't seen yet, and we're just going to wipe it off. So this is a look that you can use with any makeup look that you would normally have. Like I said, this is from a tutorial that I haven't released yet, but once it is, I will have it linked down below. So I'm just starting off with a nice normal makeup look that I would typically wear on the daily, and so I'm just going to be covering up that redness around my nose with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in 220N, making my red eyeliner black and adding a normal lip color. So now we're kind of at the bare bones of this look. I'm going to be taking my Nigels FX liquid latex on a sponge and just stippling this all over my nose before peeling away some tissue so it has some rough edges and just laying this right on the latex. I'm going to be using my spatula to form this down just so it can kind of make sure all the edges are where they need to be, and also tearing up a few pieces so that this looks imperfect, and using a hand fan to help dry the process a little bit faster. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and set all of this with my Airspun translucent powder before going back into my 220N foundation and applying this onto the nose as well. Moving on to body paint, I'm going to be taking my Madalyn Paradise paint in dark blue on a little foundation brush and just applying this all over that nose area, and then stippling with a craft sponge my Madalyn Paradise paint in light blue. This is really going to help kind of add a little bit more dimension, and to continue that, we're going to be adding a little bit of our Morphe James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist black eyeshadow into that mix as well. I'm then going to be building it up with a little bit more of that light blue body paint since I covered up most of it with the black, and we're going to start to blend this around the perimeter of our nose as well. We're even going to be doing a little bit of this with the darker blue. We want to create some veins coming from the nose. I thought that this would be a really cool effect to kind of make it look like the frostbitten nose is very infected and it's kind of starting to seep into the rest of our face as well. I'm then going to be going into this light blue shadow from my James Charles palette and just lightly blending this out towards my cheeks, and then taking the black eyeshadow, I'm going to be doing this as well just to kind of help create some shading around the nose. And then one of my favorite parts of this look is I'm going to be taking my Nigels Ultra Ice on a spatula, and this is really going to make our face look icy and chunky and just absolutely awfully gorgeous. We're then going to be taking our ColourPop Frozen 2 lip gloss in Mythic Journey and just applying this all over our lips. And then last but not least, I'm going to be taking this light blue shimmer shade and I'm just going to be applying this around the cheeks, just kind of having it blend outwards. And that is the completed Jack Frostbitten nose makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And of course, this was a more exaggerated and inspired, colorful makeup look. This is obviously not what a real frostbitten nose would look like. I did have a more realistic tutorial like 2 Christmases ago that I did regarding frostbite that I'll have linked down below for you guys if you want to check that out. But anyways, I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!